In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Temu product reviews with photos or videos. If you want to make better buying decisions on Temu and see real customer experiences before purchasing, this tutorial will guide you through how to find visual reviews that include images and videos. To begin, open your preferred browser or launch the Temu app on your device. Once you are ready, go to the official Temu.com website and sign into your account. Logging in ensures that you can access full product details, including detailed customer feedback and media-based reviews. After signing in, use the search bar at the top of the page to look for the product you're interested in. You can type the product name, category, or specific item you want to buy. Once the search results appear, click on the product that matches what you are looking for to open its full product page. On the product page, scroll down slowly until you reach the review section. This area contains feedback from customers who have already purchased and used the item. Temu organizes reviews to help you better understand product quality and user satisfaction. Within the review section, look for filters or tabs that allow you to view reviews with photos or videos. These options are usually labeled clearly so you can easily switch between text-only reviews and visual reviews. Selecting the photo or video filter will show real customer uploads. When you open reviews with images or videos, take your time to carefully observe what other buyers are showing. Photos can help you understand the actual appearance of the product, including size, color accuracy, and build quality. Videos are even more helpful because they show the product in real use, giving you a clearer idea of how it performs. It is also a good idea to check multiple reviews instead of relying on just one. Looking at several customer photos or videos helps you get a more balanced understanding of the product and reduces the chances of disappointment after purchase. In some cases, you may also notice helpful written reviews attached to photos or videos where customers explain their experience in more detail. Combining visual feedback with written comments gives you a more complete view of the product. By using these review filters properly, you can make smarter shopping decisions and avoid products that do not meet your expectations. And that is how you can easily check Temu product reviews with photos and videos before making a purchase. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.